The majority of cars today have direct glazed windows, which are a major part of the self-supported car body. The front windscreen strengthens the entire car body and works as a deflector for the passenger's airbag. Therefore, it is important that the adhesive is able to withstand the forces that occur in the event of a vehicle accident. For maximum security and to maintain the original equipment manufacturer condition, Dynol offers a complete high-quality bonding system for vehicle glass replacement. The Dynol vehicle glass replacement system supports the total work process and comprises products, manuals, equipment, training and education programs. Continual tests and product development ensure maximum performance and environmental acceptance. In cooperation with the OEM, crash tests have been performed to determine the specific strength of the Dinitrol adhesive and to evaluate the time required to reach this value. Let us follow the different steps in the Dinitrol vehicle glass replacement process. The method of removing the damaged windscreen can be one of individual choice. On certain types of windscreens, the polyurethane adhesive is close to the edge of the screen, and the space between the screen and the flange on the vehicle is relatively large. If this is the case, then this knife and handle tool can be of advantage. There are also some tools available powered by electricity or compressed air, which are very fast and easy to work with. This guide and pull wire tool requires two people, one who sits inside the vehicle and guides one end firmly, and one who pulls the other end from outside the vehicle. If it is only a question of changing the windscreen and not in connection with any damage to the bodywork, the joint can be prepared straight away for fitting a new screen. If, on the other hand, the vehicle is to be repainted, the cutting of the adhesive bonding is left until the paintwork is finished in order to keep the joint free from dirt and grease. First, after repainting, the adhesive on the flange is evened out. Under no circumstances must it be cut away completely. If the windscreen is to be rebonded, the excess polyurethane on the windscreen is cut away using a sharp chisel where the edges are slightly rounded. Take particular care not to damage the black ceramic on the screen. Before applying the adhesive, it is important to check the fit on the screen against the flange. The position of the screen is marked off using tape. The Dinitrol vehicle glass replacement system consists of a range of high-quality products for the complete application process. We start with preparing the car body. Dinitrol 582 is a non-alcoholic cleaner used for cleaning the windscreen aperture before the old polyurethane bonding is cut clean. The adhesive on the flange is evened out using a knife or a sharp chisel. And notice, under no circumstance must the old polyurethane bead be cut away completely. Apply Dinitrol 530, a glass paint primer, to the bodywork flanges where the paintwork has been damaged or corrosion has taken place. Use a small paintbrush or cotton bud. The drying time is 10 minutes. And note, you must not reapply cleaner or primer onto the cleanly cut polyurethane surface which has been prepared for bonding. The pre-treatment of the windscreen starts with cleaning the window with Dinitrol 7250. The pre-treatment process goes on with the Dinitrol 520 glass activator and cleaner, a product with adhesion-promoting properties. Apply Dinitrol 520 to the black ceramic border of the windscreen. Use a clean cloth. Wait 1 minute and then lightly wipe off using a fresh piece of paper or a clean cloth. Once the surface has been activated with Dinitrol 520, it is time to use Dinitrol 530 glass paint primer. The can must be shaken at least 1 minute after loosening the steel ball. Apply the primer with a woolen wiper on the ceramic layer on the windscreen. One of the purposes of the primer is to prepare the glass surface in order to achieve better bonding. It is also used to protect the polyurethane adhesive against UV deterioration. The Dinitrol polyurethane adhesives provide excellent strength and durability for use under a wide range of installation and operational conditions. Note that the curing time of all one-component polyurethane adhesives always depends on relative humidity and temperature. You can choose one-component standard polyurethane adhesive when time is available and weather conditions are good. One-component FC for faster curing in good weather conditions. One-component high modulus when extra initial strength of the bond and torsional strengthening properties of the vehicle are needed. There are a number of choices. When time is short and all weather conditions are non-favourable, it is recommended to use Dinitrol 512 2KHM, a two-component adhesive with very fast curing properties independent of humidity and temperature. The polyurethane adhesive of your choice can be applied either on the screen or on the windscreen aperture. If the screen is to be rebonded, it is better to apply the adhesive to the screen. If, however, the screen is new, it is better to apply the polyurethane adhesive to the flange. The height of the polyurethane bead is very important. It must be applied according to the recommendations in the maintenance manual of the vehicle. Otherwise, problems could arise when fitting the glass. Lift the screen into place immediately after the adhesive has been applied, and adjust it to the aperture by pressing the screen down in position. It is important to carefully follow the instructions regarding the use of the application products. In order to underline the importance of this, we can show you here 3 cured beads of polyurethane adhesives where the first was applied using a cleaner and a primer of another make than Dinitrol. The second was treated with Dinitrol 520 only, and the third using Dinitrol 520 and 530. The first has practically no adhesion at all. The bonding of the second released at an unacceptable level, whilst that which was applied using Dinitrol 520 and 530 cannot be pulled free from the glass surface. The results speak for themselves. Only use the recommended application products. Dynal offers the complete vehicle glass replacement system. The products are sold under the well-known trademark Dinitrol, which over the years has come to represent quality and excellent service, worldwide marketing and technical resources. Dinitrol for optimized vehicle glass replacement.